Cyprus visa requirements. For Cyprus, the visa requirements are pretty simple. It all lies down to whether you are an EU resident or a resident from a third country. So if you are a resident from a third country, you need to apply for a special visa, which usually takes some time to be granted. This is not the case if you are a European citizen who wants to come and live and work in Cyprus, as the process is very fast, easy and convenient. You just request from a service provider like ourselves to make the application for you for a yellow slip. The yellow slip requires a very short trip to the immigration office, and relatively it's a fast procedure that shouldn't take more than a month. On the other hand, if you are a digital nomad or an entrepreneur or an investor from a third country, that is a country which is not from the EU, then you might require a special visa, which special visas change from time to time. These special visas and the visas that the Cyprus Republic can offer to you do take some time. It could take 3 to 6 months to be issued, and a lot of paperwork and assistance from a firm like ours. Therefore, if you want to come and work in Cyprus, you will need such a visa. On the other hand, if you just want to create your Cyprus company without working, if you want to become a Cyprus tax resident and non-domicile without working, then you do not need, and of course you are from a third country, you do not need a visa, you do not need to waste money, and of course 3 to 6 months going in circles, gathering documents, having them notarized, apostille, and making them more official for the application, because you can achieve your goal. You can become a Cyprus non-domicile, you can be a shareholder of a Cyprus company without having a visa. The only restriction that you have is, of course, that you cannot be an employee of your own company, which is fine and is not a criterion required for the non-dom. Therefore, even if you're from India, if you're from the US, from Canada, and you want to take advantage of the non-dom, you are an investor, a trader, a shareholder, you can proceed and create the setup of your like simply without being an employee of the company, and there is no visa requirement. You can stay in Cyprus for 60 days with a tourist visa, which is renewed every other year. For more inquiries about visas, about residency permits, and any other legalization of your personal status here in Cyprus, drop us an email and we'll be more than happy to assist you further.